Have you ever wondered how doctors ensure you feel absolutely no pain during surgery? We're diving into the fascinating world of anesthesia to find out. Anesthesia is a cornerstone of modern medicine, allowing complex and life-saving procedures to be performed without causing distress to the patient. At its core, anesthesia is a medical technique that induces a reversible state of reduced sensation, allowing for surgery or painful procedures to be carried out safely. There are three main categories of anesthesia, each suited for different types of procedures: general, regional, and local. General anesthesia is perhaps the most well-known. It makes you completely unconscious and unable to feel pain. This state is more than just sleep. It's a controlled, reversible loss of consciousness where your pain reflexes and muscle movements are temporarily paralyzed. General anesthesia works by targeting the central nervous system, specifically the brain and spinal cord, disrupting communication between nerve cells. It is typically administered either through an intravenous line or by inhaling anesthetic gases through a mask or breathing tube. Moving on to regional anesthesia, this method numbs a larger but specific area of the body, allowing the patient to remain awake if the procedure permits. Common examples include epidurals for childbirth or spinal blocks for lower body surgeries. You lose sensation but maintain consciousness. Regional anesthesia works by injecting medication near a cluster of nerves, effectively blocking pain signals from that region from reaching the brain. Lastly, local anesthesia is used for minor procedures like getting a few stitches or dental work. This targets a very small, specific area, making the skin and tissue numb while you remain fully awake and aware. The mechanism here involves blocking sodium channels in the local nerve endings, preventing them from sending pain signals to the brain. Regardless of the type, safety is paramount. Continuous monitoring ensures the patient's well-being throughout the procedure. The anesthesiologist is a dedicated physician responsible for your safety and comfort before, during, and immediately after your surgery. They continuously monitor vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, breathing, and oxygen levels, adjusting the anesthesia as needed. Anesthesia truly is a medical marvel, combining pharmacology and physiology to make invasive procedures possible without pain. It ensures not only a painless experience, but also the stable physiological state required for successful surgery and recovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand how anesthesia works. Be sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights into science and medicine.